Trade Safe fam, what is good? Here on another Drive and Talk. You saw the title of the video. I want you to watch this real quick that I snipped from the Words of Rizdom. Check it out.
And so it's beneficial in so many ways, right? Because you see the work ethic of the people around you. You're competing with the people around you. You see the stocks that they're trading. You see the size that they're trading. And all that stuff compounds. And so to give you a fun example, so we're in New York right now. I love lifting and health and fitness. And so I travel a fair amount. You got to still go in shape.
Yeah.
And so I was able to sneak my way into this powerlifting, Olympic lifting gym in New York City. It's in a little basement. It's not that big.
Interesting.
And in this gym, it was a bunch of, I'm older than them at this point. It was a bunch of people in their 20s and everything. They were all serious lifters. And so what you saw was the whole workout session, they are talking about different tips. They're watching and recording each other's lifts. They're talking lifting, like they're giving each other feedback. They're talking about like different meets, different heroes that they were watching at meets and stuff. And most of all, they were having fun. Now, when you take that type of environment, do you know how easy it is to go work out when all your friends are there and all your friends are having a fun time? Do you know how much easier it is to get that extra rep out when you're competing with your buddy next to you? And so those things like that matter so much. And so when you're in one of the most competitive, crucible, pressure cooker environments where it's a bunch of young, driven people trying to succeed at this job, and then you have experienced traders at all levels ahead of you, that is so powerful because you see all these people trying to figure out the path, and you can learn and mimic and just compete. And it's, if you're out there trading on your own on your retail side, you need to find ways to replicate that as much as possible. One thing I've been an advocate for is finding a good trading pod, meaning like if at all the professional firms, every person is part of a group to improve. If you're on the retail side, why are you not doing that? Why are you not sharing your trade write-ups with others? Why are you not sharing?
Okay, so you saw Lance. Just to give you a little background on Lance, Lance has done over $100 million, right? Literally one of the legendaries. Period, right? Like, and not only that, he is a scalper, which scalping, guys, is extremely hard, right? Like in essence, scalping is one of the more difficult things about trading because it's so high frequency, right? And you heard what he said, guys. A trading community can literally boost your P&L significantly. Why? Because you're competing against the people next to you. You're talking about trading as you're trading. You have different levels of experience, people with experience, right? So many reasons about why community itself, if you are a retail trader, is so important and can help you out so much, guys, in the grand scheme of what you are trying to accomplish, which is being a profitable trader, guys. I wish I understood this when I first started out. And again, you have professionals, guys. You have literal professionals who are working at hedge funds, who are working at trading, proprietary trading firms, who these guys are part of trading pods, right? A trading pod is essentially a trading community of guys that basically share all the information. They share their charts, they share what they did in the markets. And this is the whole point, guys, is when you are part of a community, you will get better. There is no way around it. You heard what the man had to say. This is the guy. Like, if there is one person, and you know what? SMB Capital, he's part of actually, he's the head, one of the head traders at SMB Capital. And even before this video came out, even before Riz decided to have him on the podcast, SMB Capital was one of the YouTube channels that I always watched, that and they're not very known, which is the crazy part. They're not crazy in like the whole Instagram space, or they're not, very known, right? Check them out, SMB Capital on YouTube. But guys, I want to say 75 to 80% of my knowledge has come from SMB Capital. Their entry models, the way that their traders explain trading is just so simple to me, right? I don't know what it is about, but I just connect so well with what they have to say. And Lance was one of them that I was like, man, this guy is like just he's so knowledgeable in this. He's been doing it for over 15 years, I believe. And he's been able to literally be number one as a scalper, guys, okay? So again, keep this in mind. Remember, Trade Safe is more than just a live trading thing, is more than just the indicator tool, is more than just the book and the course, guys. It is the community that is being built of traders that want to be profitable, or traders that are already profitable, that want to help people, that want to be around other profitable traders. This is the goal, guys. And just keep that in mind. And really, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it free. You heard it here first. I'm going to make Trade Safe free for 3 months, guys, so that the community can come together, so that the community can be built. And as you will see, you will want to stick around. I promise you that. You will want to stick around this community. So hopefully you made it to the end of the video, because if you did, you will see that it's going to be free. Check it out. The link is in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, guys. And guys, let's build a kick-ass trading community. That is the goal. Let's be the #1 community on YouTube in the entire space. I want professionals in there. I want beginners. I want every level of trader to be a part of Trade Safe, because the goal is to trade safe in the markets every day. And how do you do this? With knowledge, right? With community, because that's what's gonna help you get up and stop and say, hey, you've had enough, dude. So just keep it in mind, guys. Trade safe every single day. Until the next video. Peace.